Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is my front porch makeover. So come along with me as I show you my front porch makeover. My wreath here, I did do a DIY video on it. You all can go back and check it out. Also, the little boxwood you see here, I have a live video on it. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about my makeover and what I've done. The pumpkin here, as I said, the wreath on top was a DIY. I went in and added the pumpkins. The pumpkin below, I purchased that at Ross's. The DIY wreath that I added to, I purchased that at Tuesday Mornings. The black and white pumpkins were purchased from Kroger's. And the boxwood you see here, I had a spike plant. This was a spike plant. I've taken out the spikes and put in the boxwood, and the boxwood I did purchase from Joann Fabrics. I do have a live on it also. You all can go back and check it out. I used acrylic paint to paint the planters. I did advise you about a chalk paint I thought about using, but I did go ahead and use the acrylic, because with the chalk paint I would have had to put a clear sealant on it, and the acrylic worked fine. And the paint, I did purchase it from the Dollar Tree. The boxwood again were from Joann Fabric. The planters are one I had before. You can go back and check my previous front porch makeovers and you will see the spikes. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this front porch makeover. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. And as I said before, I am an out-of-the-box decorator, so I will be doing it a little different. Again, don't forget to go back and check out that live where I'll show you how I turned the spike plants into the boxwood. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.